Hey there, little ones! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of Abacus for toddlers. Fun learning with numbers. You know, an abacus is a great tool for learning numbers, and it's super fun too. It's like a magical box filled with numbers that you can move around and play with. You can count, add, and subtract. And it's a great way to learn about numbers. The abacus is a fantastic way to teach kids about numbers, and it's also a great way to help them learn about counting, addition, and subtraction. It's a fun and interactive way to learn, and it's a great way to keep kids engaged and interested in learning. So, let's get started with our abacus for toddlers. Fun learning with numbers. We'll start by counting from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's move on to adding. For example, let's add 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. Now, let's add 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3. And finally, let's add 5 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you have it, little ones. You've just learned how to use an abacus to add numbers. Isn't that fun? Now, let's move on to subtraction. For example, let's subtract 1 from 2. 2, 1. And let's subtract 2 from 3. 3, 1, 2. And finally, let's subtract 3 from 4. 4, 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, little ones. You've just learned how to use an abacus to subtract numbers. Isn't that awesome? Thank you so much for joining us today on our Abacus for Toddlers. Fun learning with numbers. We hope you had as much fun as we did. And we can't wait to see you again soon for more exciting adventures. Remember, learning can be fun and interactive. And an abacus is a great tool to help kids learn about numbers. So, keep practicing and have a blast. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fun and educational content. Until next time, take care and happy learning!